Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIB update for Tuesday 5th of July. Now from yesterday's video I did talk about how SHIB is looking to come up to the blue line over there, scalping opportunity. Got a little bit of an extended high to the 1100 level, and right now we are almost retracing back to the downside. So I really want to make sense of what's going on with SHIB at this point of time. You're trying to put a head and shoulder nonetheless. And this could be a long extended shoulder, which is the right shoulder. So a quick recap here was that you had this apex coming in, and then you pop out of the apex, you went to where the triangle really started. The technical target is met, so I do expect a little bit of more retracement down here and potentially start to lose the trend line once again and move really to the downside. What's interesting now is to hold the 4-hour trend line, okay, which actually tells you that this is a trend line going on with a touch here, one there, another one here, another one possibly right there. From this level, guys, it's important to actually just come down here, bounce off this area. If you do that again, you can actually move higher. But I don't know, finger crossed, right now something tells me that it's maybe time to actually come down here, lose this level for good, and then you start to really move to the downside. And once again, that technical target is still going to be from there to there, and you're looking for SHIB to drop all the way down. If it does break out, so it's going to be from there to there. That's actually going to be 806 level. Okay, so we're still not out of the blue just yet. It's a very small pump to the upside as well, and it is what it is at this point of time. You just want to make sure that this is a level that doesn't get lost, the trend line. Once it comes here for the back testing, maybe you can place some little bit bids here with the stop loss probably down at 976 or stop loss down at the 953. And that's it for this quick update on SHIB. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.